Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Technitium versus Pihole versus Adguard. So if you don't know what these three are, Technitium DNS is a full-featured DNS server with advanced controls like DOH, DOT, and DNSSEC. And Pihole, on the other hand, is a DNS-based ad blocker for entire networks, focused on simplicity and privacy. While Adguard, on the other hand, is a DNS server with ad tracker blocking, parental control, and UI-focused setup. So let's go over their pros and cons, starting with Technitium here. So the pros of Technitium is that it has a powerful DNS feature, and it is highly customizable. Now the cons of it is that it is more advanced, and the ad blocking is not its main focus. Now let's go over the pros and cons of Pihole. So Pihole is great for network-wide ad blocking, and it is lightweight and simple, so it can run easily on any system. Now the cons of it is that it lacks a modern DNS feature, unless you add it manually through third-party apps. And lastly, it is also harder to use and harder to operate rather than these two. Now, lastly, let's discuss the pros and cons of Adguard. So Adguard's pros is that it is easy to set up with modern UI, and it has built-in ad blocking and parental controls. Now the cons of it is that it is slightly heavier resource use, so it is heavier to use, so it can't run on all systems, and fewer raw DNS tools rather than Technitium and Pihole. So which one should you choose? So you should choose Technitium for full DNS control and security, choose Pihole for lightweight simple ad blocking, and choose Adguard for user-friendly all-in-one privacy, control, and setup. And that is it. That is the difference between Technitium, Pihole, and Adguard. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.